In the villages of Pakistan and India, life still follows the rhythm of nature. Farmers often use traditional plows pulled by oxen, just as their ancestors did for centuries. The way they raise animals is also unique. Cattle, buffaloes, and goats are usually tied near the homes, close to the family that cares for them. Most of the houses are simple and made of mud, yet they carry a special beauty. Life here may look basic, but it is filled with peace and a sense of belonging that cities can never provide. The fields are mostly planted with rice, and during the season of harvest, the green crops dancing in the wind create a breathtaking view. Watching the farmers at work with their bare hands and endless patience feels like looking at a living tradition. This is village life, simple, natural, and full of charm.